Hello guys, what's up everybody? This is Culture here. Welcome to my channel. Hello from Uluwatu, Bali. If you come to Bali, just meet us here in Uluwatu somewhere on the ocean or in the reggae stage with ULU ROOTS reggae band. So guys, here's the trick that I found it by myself because I learned music in the Uluwatu jungle. So first time, if you already know the bar chord or any chord you know, let's forget about that first. I'm going to show you the main groove of reggae guitar. You could play this trick on the acoustic, also working good on the electric guitar. So here's the example without chord, yeah. Just put your finger without any key, yeah. We could already have fun with this, guys. Check this out. Or let's say I play like this, yeah. No key. So here's the groove. This is the most important of genre reggae music, guys. The chaka, 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 and the count is 1, chaka 1, chaka 1, chaka 1, chaka 1, chaka 2, chaka 3, chaka 4, chaka 1, chaka. So let's slower down the tempo. 1, chaka 1, chaka 1, chaka 1, chaka 1, chaka 1. So let's use the bar chord, yeah. 1. And then the groove is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You feel it, that groove, guys, because if your soul capture that vibe, play with your style with any key. Check cut 1, check cut 1, check cut 1, check cut 1, and then just play with your style. This is my style, guys. Maybe still rap song. We play on G. Stir it up, little darling, stir it up. Come on, sugar, come on and stir it up. Oh yeah, yeah. My little darling, stir it up. Chaka, 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 chaka. I push the wood, blaze some fire. Something like that, guys. Practice with the slow tempo, and then if you feel the groove good, then you could speed up the tempo. Me personally love to start with the slow tempo first, because when I could play in the slow tempo with the good and perfect tempo, I mean in the slow tempo, then with a faster tempo we could play good also, because reggae music with the one drop music, they are slower tempo. Maybe some song like Forever Long Pija, something like this. One, two, one, something like that. And then faster tempo, it could become ska music. Okay, back to one drop. We'll be forever loving Jah. maybe crazy ballhead. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. We gonna chase some crazy ballhead out of the town. Same. That was the heart, I think, the soul of reggae music, because it's fit with your heart. Tuk, 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 tuk. See, this is the proof. Tuk, 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 tuk. In the Jamaica, they call Naya Binghi. They play with the djembe, African drum. We could go high without any drug, guys. We could high, just we play this rhythm. Same. The tempo follow your heart is 60 BPM. We'll be forever loving Jah. Well, we'll be forever loving Jah. Okay, I hope you mastering this trick. Found it by yourself. Feel it, guys. Feel it with your soul. Use your brain also. Use your heart. But the most important in reggae music, most important is feel it. Feel the good vibe. Okay. God bless you on my next episode. So, hello from Uluwatu, Bali. See you soon in the real life. God bless.
Menjadi pengamen berhenti sekolah. Hidupku susah.
Tapi tak apalah, tak usah resah, karena aku punya mama dan papa, pahlawanku terhebat di sepanjang